Hey, it's Sam. You're probably wondering whether or not affiliate marketing is worth doing. You're in the right place because I'll explain to you exactly if it is and maybe not. So stick around. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you a top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, you're creating your own business. Just because you're promoting someone else's product doesn't mean that it's not your own business. It really is. Especially if you want to make the big bucks, you need to treat it as your own business. Even if you have a 9 to 5 already, you need to treat it as an asset so that you know you're gonna put in all that effort and it's not just a side hustle. It can start out as a side hustle. It might pay you even more than what your main job is right now. So if as long as you treat it properly, you can make a significant amount of money doing affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is so special because you can do it anywhere, do it anytime you want once you build out your whole ecosystem. Affiliate marketing is really, you need to learn a lot about affiliate marketing, a lot about business itself, because you're not just a salesman. You're a marketer. You're a marketer. And for affiliate marketing, you're a business owner. And when you're a business owner, I own multiple businesses and many of them failed. The latest one is a photography business that I do in New York City. And when you're own a business, you're an accountant. You have to make sure you balance out at the end and have surplus so that you're actually making money. And when you're a business owner, you also need to learn how to market, which is in the name of the game. And when you're a business owner, you need to learn how to do research. You're a researcher as well. So you're all these. You're all these when you're doing affiliate marketing. You're a business owner for first and foremost, because you need to make this at the end of the day, right? And in order to make this, you need to be this, and be this, especially this. So when people say affiliate marketing is so simple, so easy, no, it's not. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes not only hard work, it takes brains, smart work, right? And that's how you become successful. You also need to have a good mindset, because a lot of business owners fail. They fail spectacularly. So there's good and bad failures, right? When you fail badly, it's because you don't put in effort. You don't, well, not you. It's because people don't put in effort, right? They don't put in the effort, they don't put in the time, they don't put in the pretty much, you need to shed blood, sweat, and tears. Well, not blood, maybe, hopefully not. But you also, when you fail spectacularly good in a good way, that means you learned something. And you can apply what you learned to your new business. And this is what you can do here. So, affiliate marketing is simple. It's a simple concept, but actually doing it is a whole different beast. So I really want you to take some time to think about it too. Is this really for you? Are you willing to put in a lot of effort and work and time to build this whole thing out for yourself? Because essentially, this is your livelihood, because it can replace your job. And the best thing about affiliate marketing is is if you promote something that you're familiar with, something that you're passionate about, it's easier to market it because you're an expert in it, and you can always learn something new when you purchase a product and learn about it, and you can market it definitely and see if it works for you. Really take some time to think about whether affiliate marketing is for you or not, because trust me right now, to be successful in affiliate marketing, it's gonna take a while, and it's not an instant satisfaction kind of thing. It's a long game. It's a long-term strategy for growth for yourself, and it's worth it. It's simply worth it. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.